Hi, Stacey Scott. My name is Eric Ward. I'm going to be a sales rep here at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you for your recent inquiry on the all-new 2014 Honda Accord hybrid sedan. We've got one in, and I wanted to show you some of the cool features that really distinguish this from most hybrids on the market. First of all, take a look at the front grille. All your hybrids are going to come with the blue accents around the projector beam headlights, the blue chrome accents around the H symbol. That's going to distinguish it from any other normal Accord on the market. You'll be able to see those highlights. LED daytime running lights give it that nice luxury appeal. Chrome accents on the bottom bumper. The hybrid also comes with a very distinct design in the alloy wheels, give it that very nice look to it. Turn signals built right into the mirror. Chrome door handles with the smart key entry system. But interior is what you really want in the hybrid. Besides all the standard features like power windows, mirrors, and locks, check out that dash. Look at all the technology information that gives you feedback about how this hybrid vehicle works. It's got great fuel efficiency. You can get up to 50 miles per gallon. There's a lot of information that helps you get the most out of this car. Dual zone climate control, power driver's seat, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth. This car has got a lot of great standard features, but the best part about this is the drive. You gotta come out and drive this hybrid. It will amaze you at how awesome this car is to drive and the great fuel economy. Give me a call today, 205-823-3333. My name is Eric Ward for Tameron Honda, and if you purchase this hybrid in the month of May right now, happy Mother's Day if you're a mother. I know that's tomorrow. We're gonna cover your maintenance for the first 2 years. That's gonna include your oil change, your rotate, and balance. All right, give me a call, Eric Ward, Tameron Honda, 205-823-3333. Thanks, Stacey.